Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. My name is Nuryatik Ramadhani. Now I'm studying undergraduate biology at the State University of Surabaya. So, let's begin by looking at the title. How snowball throwing can improve students' metacognition ability and learning outcomes. If you're curious about it, then next. Okay, first, the aim is to analyze the effectiveness of the application of metacognition strategy by snowball throwing assist toward students' metacognitive ability and learning outcomes, specifically in reproductive system material. Yeah, as you can see, there are two pictures. The right side is a hand with a paper ball, which is that snowball throwing. Next. Okay, I will give you some preliminary. First, the principle of learning in the standard educational process requires students to find out, and the teachers is not the only one resources of learning. So, students participate actively, or you can say that student-centered learning. Yeah. So, second, student learning outcomes on reproductive system material at one Chakenan Public High School indicate the most are still low. Third, system reproduction material difficult for biology teacher because too much material complete with the assistance of an abstract working mechanism. So, this material is difficult for biology teacher because on that material it is an abstract that cannot imagine easily. Okay. Next, one alternative that involves conscious student thinking can be done by developing students' metacognition skills. Fifth, the snowball throwing model is a modification of the questioning technique, which is focused on students' ability to form questions that are packaged in an interesting game. Yeah, as you can see, there are pictures that students make a game with snowball throwing model. Yeah, so just like you are throw snowball, but in this picture, not snowball but paper ball. This section is research of methodology. First, the sample is just student of class 11 MIPA 4. 38 students and 11 MIPA 7, 36 students, one Chakenan Public High School. This research used pre-experimental design with one shot case study design. The ability of metacognition is analyzed using the scale of the category of metacognition abilities. It is effective if the average final grade of students' metacognition ability reaches more than equal 68 in the OK until super scale. Last, learning outcomes are analyzed by classical completeness test. It is effective if classical completeness of learning outcomes reaches more than equal 85%. Okay. The procedure. First, preparation stage. There are conduct initial observation at Wanchakanan Public High School, making a problem statement, establish solution to overcome problem, determine research methods and design, preparing learning device, preparing research instrument, conducting trials about instrument, and analyzing the result of test question using ANA-test application. The implementation stage. Applications of Snowball throwing assist, perform post-test. The final stage of study, analyzing data, writing result and discussion, making research conclusion. This is result and discussion. Okay. First, A, students' metacognition ability. As you can see, in the table 4.1, final score of metacognition ability. The important things I want to tell you is, here, total average between 11 MIPA 4 and 11 MIPA 7 is 82.45, which is more than this. The average final value of metacognition, it must be more equal than 68. So category is okay. So it's good. Next, students' learning outcome. Yeah, in this table 4.2, look at the overall classical completeness. The value is 92.5%, which is more than 85%. Application of metacognition strategy with snowball throwing on reproduction system material is effectively applied to the student learning outcomes because it reaches more than equal 85%. So this is good. Well, that's bring me the end of the presentation. So just to recap. Okay. Metacognition strategy by snowball throwing is effective to be applied towards students on system reproduction material. Yeah, so it's effective. Okay, thank you. Any question? I will end my slide. Any question?
Yeah, may I ask my question? I have a question about what you have been told for us. So my question is, where did you get the data and how is the reaction of teachers and the students when using this snowball throwing?
Okay, thank you for your question, Alvina. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. As I said before, I get, and not me, the researcher get the data in Wanchakanan Public High School is in the Pati, Central Java. Yeah. And the researcher using two classes, 11 MIPA 4 and 11 MIPA 7, just two classes. Okay. And the reaction of students, as you can see in the result and discussion, it is good. It is good. Although there are some students, maybe under 10 students, there are still need more bimbingan to complete their students' learning outcome. For the teacher, I think I cannot answer that question because that's not me that get the data. It's someone else. Or maybe you can text me or email me, and I can ask the researcher to answer your question. Yeah. So like that, Alvina. How?
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the answer, Miss.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, other maybe?
Yes, I'm Adita. I wanna
Okay.
is it possible to snowball throwing model to apply in biology?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Ardita. I will answer that question. It is very possible. Maybe your question is mean to other material, isn't it?
Yes, like that.
Okay. Okay. I think it can, especially in material that abstract, cannot easy to imagine, like circulatory system, yeah, and digestive system, yeah, material like that in biology. How, Ardita?
Oh yes, thank you for your explanation.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, because of the time, I think it's enough, yeah, for the question. If you want more information about my presentation, you can text me or email me later. Okay? Okay, I will close the presentation. Thank you very much for your
Yes.
attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much.